This is no distant geopolitical game. This is a crisis created by genocidal Israeli Prime Minister and his puppets.
You guys know each other?
We know each other.
Many believe that politics and integrity don't go together. I believe they do, if one dares, of course. Our responses to the Middle East situation are predictable, too slow, and above all, ineffective and selective. So when Merz speaks about Trump in a way that normalizes dangerous escalation in Iran, that's not even realpolitik. It's irresponsible. The EU must not follow the imposed rules of escalation, even less legitimize it. This is no distant geopolitical game. This is a crisis created by genocidal Israeli Prime Minister and his puppets. And while they wage war, European citizens foot the bill.
The 10 days of war have already cost European taxpayers an additional 3 billion euros in fossil fuel imports. Additional.
One bill at a time, all Europeans are being punished for a war we did not start. But we can help end it. Diplomacy is powerful if one dares. Through a clear, united foreign policy stance. That's the fastest way to ease the energy crisis, and we must, of course, stop our dependence on others because we are vulnerable with that. It's time we dare be firm and credible, have the integrity, dare think for ourselves, stand for international law, peace, and protection of our EU citizens. It's possible to do all three. I promise.